a while, but I got a lot of good stuff prepared for you. If you're new in the channel, welcome to Beyond Being D. In this channel, this is where we do house decor, a lot of cooking and DIY. DIY projects, and a lot of fun also. So welcome and be part of the family. So guys, before we start our video for today, make sure you watch my other videos, share, like and subscribe also. So guys, today we are going to make chocobars. So guys, for today's video, we are going to use the following ingredients. That is, we need milk and milk powder, and then the sugar. Those are the most three essential things you need. The rest of the ingredients that you can see, I have half an orange, I have an apple, I have some jugos or nuts. These I'm going to, and then I have also some chocolate here. I'm just going to use them as flavors. I'm going to make seven chocobars, and out of these 7, 4 are going to be different flavors, and then 3 will have the same flavor. So we are going to boil our milk. I think that's enough. Yes. As our milk, we have to let it boil. That is the time we are going to add our milk powder to make it more thick. So I'm going to add my milk powder. Milk powder depends on how you want your chocobar to be thick. Since my milk is already warm, so I'm going to add sugar. And stir so that the sugar dissolves. Guys, you should come and enjoy these chocobars with us. Yes, now I'm going to add my powder. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Check out how it is. Make sure you also reduce your heat. I'm going to add this. As I stir. You can see it's becoming thick. I hope you see all what I'm doing. I think I'm I'm going to add more milk powder. Yes, now that thickness for me is good to go. So remember, the essential things that you need is sugar, milk, and milk powder. The rest you put, the other flavors you just put according to what you love or what you want. And this is good for kids also, because we've actually used everything that is natural. Yes, so we're going to give it some few minutes. So guys, as our milk cools down, we are going to be making ready these are the things I want to put in my chocobar. So I want to make them ready before the milk cools down. And make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to cut them in small pieces, very small pieces. Okay. So these ones are good to go. This one I'm just going to squeeze on one of them. Then the chocolates. My milk is ready. Yes, let us call it milk for now. So I'm going to refill here so that I take it to the freezer and give it some time to become the chocobars that you wanted to make. So I'm just going to So guys, now after refilling this one, I want to add the other flavors that I want. And okay, this one is the one you wish to mix if you want to mix. So I will start with this one. I want to just squeeze this juice here. That one is good to go. Then I have the one I want to have the chocolates. It's going to be like that. And also this one I'm going to put chocolates. And I'm also going to have pineapple. Not pineapple, sorry, apple. And these two, I'm going to have jugos. The remaining one, I'm going to have it here. And also add apples. good to go. Then I have the one I want to have the chocolates. It's going to be like that. And also this one I'm going to put chocolates. And I'm also going to have pineapple. Not pineapple, sorry, apple. And these two, I'm going to have jugos. The remaining one, I'm going to have it here. And also add apples. Then bring the ribs here, like that. I hope you can see what I've done. I'm going to write down where you can buy such, but me, I bought it in town, CBD. A lady was walking, and then this one is going to be here. So I'm going to proceed to have them in the freezer and then give them around 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to show you the products that we made. So we are going to leave it here for 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll come for it. I'm going to have it here, and also the remaining. Yes, so let's wait for those hours, then we'll come back.